Hi, this is Todd with ESOTERIC Car Care. Today we're going to be talking about the Rupes one-step polishing kit. Okay, if you're a detailer or if you are an extreme auto detailing enthusiast, you want to make sure that you put together the right kit or right combination of products to maximize your results. And if you're somebody new to it, might be a bit confusing on what kind of products, what kind of pads, what kind of polishes that you're going to want to use. What we've done here is we have put together a kit with some options that for one-step polishing will be pretty much everything that you need. It takes all the guesswork out of it. And the difference between what we may be recommending and what some other resellers may be recommending, we're working in detailing. We're learning these things to come up with the best results to recommend to you out there to make the process as easy as possible. So having said that, let's take a look at some of the items that come in the kit. First of all, you have the Rupes LHR15 MKII. It's an updated version, a little bit better, a little bit more powerful, a little bit smoother than the previous one. The previous one is still more than capable, but this is what we sell more of than anything else out there. People may wonder, well, do I need the 15 or do I need the 21? Either one is going to work. We use the 15 in the shop more than we do the 21. We sell more 15s than the 21. The 15 is more than capable to do anything that you need. You get the LHR15 MKII with it, and then you can see you get some choices with pads and polishes. And in our kit, you have a place to select what you're wanting to go with. Do you want to go with yellow pads? Do you want to go with white pads? We've got videos for each of these pads that can go into more specifics, but to summarize, the yellow has a little bit heavier cut. This is a polishing pad. The white is a little bit finer cut. It is a finishing pad. Why would you want one or the other? Depends on what you're trying to accomplish, depends on what kind of paint you're working on, and depends on your comfort level. If you're just starting out and you want to minimize how much material you may be removing, you may want to start with a white pad. It's softer, it conforms to the finish a little bit better, and because of that, it's a little bit easier to use. Not that this is difficult to use by any means, but if you want to go with a little bit more cutting ability, go with the yellow. It doesn't matter whether it's a brand new car, whether it's a used car. Even if you go with the heaviest cut polish I've got here and the yellow pad, you're removing very, very minimal amounts of clear coat. You would have to sit there in one spot for just long periods of time before you would have to worry about removing too much material. And sometimes the more beginning detailers or enthusiasts working with a machine, they get a little bit cautious about that. It's good to be cautious, but you don't have to be paranoid about it. So the yellow pad gives you a little bit more cut than what the white pad does. On most paints, you're going to get about the same level of finish between the two. It's not that you would have to start with a yellow and finish up with a white. Even on a lot of soft black paints, we find yellow gives us a perfect finish and we don't have to worry about it. Speaking of perfect finish, we have three different kind of polishes. You've got the Sonax Perfect Finish, you've got the Jescar Micro Finishing Polish, and you have the Sonax EX0406. Let me start off with the least aggressive first. That would be the Jescar Micro Finishing Polish. If you think of polishes in terms of, down here it's heavy cut and up here is fine finish, that Jescar is going to work up in this area right here. It's only going to get rid of light swirls, light holograms, light haze, and it's going to bring out a lot of gloss. Now, you can team it up with either of these pads, no problem. Most people will probably team it up with the white because it's a finer pad to go with the fine polish. If your cars already look good and you just want to go over it every now and then, ramp up the gloss and clarity level on it, you might be interested in something like the Jescar. Now we have two Sonax polishes. They're both rated on the same on their numeric scale with 4 and 6. People get pretty confused, if they're rated the same, why would I want one over the other? Well, there's a big difference in price between these two, and when you're selecting it in your kit, you'll notice that the price fluctuates accordingly. The difference is Sonax Perfect Finish. It has far more refined abrasives in it than what you're going to find in the 04, 06. This has been out a lot longer. This one's been out a couple years. This one's been out about 8 years or so now. Just about every single one-step polish that we do, it's with a Perfect Finish. About every single finish polish process we do, it's with a Perfect Finish because of how highly refined the abrasives are and how easy it is to use. It's not that this is more difficult to use. The wipe off isn't as easy on this as it is on here. At the level that we are polishing at, this provides us just a little bit extra crispness and clarity out of it. Now, you as an enthusiast, are you going to find a difference between these two? Maybe, maybe not. Depends on what your level, what your eye is like. So the 0406, it's going to do a fantastic job for your one steps. You're going to get a good amount of cut on most paints. Teamed up with a yellow pad, you're going to get 50, 60, maybe 70% correction rate out of it. You go with a Perfect Finish, you can up that a little bit more. You're not going to get that in every paint or every condition, but just know that this has those kind of capabilities when you team it up with the right pad, you team it up with the right tool, and you use the right techniques. So you've got 3 different options, and then you get options for the size of product. You just want a small bottle of product, you want a big bottle of product. Big bottle of product is going to last you a long time, especially if you're just doing your cars at home every now and then, a couple times a year. The smaller polish might be good for you. If you have a handful of cars at home that you want to take care of, you might want to step up with the bigger one. But also about this, if you do get the bigger one and you don't use it that often, you want to keep this in a controlled environment. You don't want it in a garage that's going to get 90 degrees in the summer and get down below freezing during the winter. Any of your detailing products, you want to make sure and keep them out of those extreme temperatures. So if you're looking at either of the Sonax products, most of the time you're going to team it up with a yellow pad. If you're looking at the Jess Car, you can go either way. Most of the time you're going to team it up with the white pad. So you've got some choices there to go with. And also we've included, we've got 5 of our best and most favorite towels, esoteric red towels. They're just ridiculously soft. So it doesn't matter if you are working with a really soft black Porsche, you're still going to find that these are soft enough that they're not going to mar the finish. We also have a video out there about how to maintain your microfiber and some of the products and do's and don'ts. So I'd recommend that you watch that too. You don't want to mix these up with just your general purpose towels and use the wrong kind of cleaner. So make sure and check out that video. So everything that you need right here in one easy kit. We've done the homework for you. We know what works well together. It should make your buying process much, much simpler. So if you are that enthusiast, detailing enthusiast at home, you want to learn how to do this, these are the items that you need to start out with. And once you have this, if you want to graduate up to that next level of multi-stage, then all you have to do is get yourself some compounding pads like Meguiar's microfiber cutting discs and a dedicated compound like Jess Car correcting compound. Then you already have either your finish polishing process or your one step. It's a nice thing about what you're getting here. It'll serve 2 purposes. If you have any more questions on the kit or the combinations or how to use it, make sure that you put it in the comments section down below. We're constantly monitoring and answering customers' questions. If you have any feedback you'd like to give, make sure and leave that in it as well. Don't forget to share our videos on your favorite automotive and detailing forums. Hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know how we can help you. That's about all for today for Esoteric Car Care and the Rupes One-Step Polishing Kit. I'm Todd Cooprider, thanks, and we'll see you again next time.